Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to import data into Zoho CRM, whether it's leads, contacts, or accounts. This process is quick and easy, so let's dive in. The first step is to prepare your data file. Ensure your data file is in CSV format and matches the field structure in Zoho CRM. For this example, I'm gonna use a contact CSV file for the contacts thing. Now the second step is to choose the model and import. To do that, you have to log into your CRM account. And to do that, just go to the website and enter your account credentials and log in. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. After that, go to contacts in the top here and click on it. After that, click on the arrow here to display more options from the drop-down menu and click on import contacts. Now here select from a file and you can either drag down your file here or you can browse and look for it in your PC. My file is named contacts, so I added this file. Click on next after that and follow the prompts. Next, yes, and click on finish. And you uploaded your contacts. Now the third step is to map fields and complete the import. Map the columns in your file in Zoho CRM fields, review and confirm the import, and the data will be added to your CRM. As you can see from the notification of the import status, the contacts imported successfully from the contact file name. And that's it. Your data is now successfully imported into Zoho CRM. If you like this video and found it, you can do this, by the way, with every file, every model here. Now, if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave the comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.